Bitcoin price reached highs of close to 50,000 a coin this year until an abrupt 15% sell-off stopped the climb and put the overheated crypto market on ice. The pullback has caused an early top warning signal to fire in Bitcoin USD, but data suggests that the top cryptocurrency could double before the actual top is in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So, Bitcoin gives early top warning signal, but price could double first. Sufficient for a top signal was the Fisher transforms, but Bitcoin ETF hype helped drive the price of Bitcoin from lows around 50k to over 45,000 per coin, a 300% increase as peak post ETF approval price action reached as high as 49,000 before a sharp rejection sent Bitcoin plummeting back to 42,000 where it trades currently. The 15% correction after a significant climb isn't too out of the ordinary. However, the 1 week Fisher transform indicator might have just given an early top signal. As a tool which smooths out price action to better visuals, price extremes reached a +6 standard deviation. This is among the most extreme readings the tool has ever given on the time frame. So more importantly, however, is how the technical indicator has behaved over the last several years. Specifically, the Fisher transform on a weekly time frame has accurately called the 2019 top and the 2021 top several weeks in advance after reaching a +6 standard deviation. So, why this warning signal could mean a new all-time high 100% rally. This signal was an early top warning, not the actual top to be precise, and in 2019, after a Fisher transform crossed a bearish Bitcoin USD, rallied another 83% before the actual peak occurred. And in 2021, there was another 122% more ROI to go before the peak was in. So this could mean that altogether, although Bitcoin price could be looking at a peak soon enough, another 100% could be added to the cost per coin at a 42,000 per coin that could take Bitcoin above $84,000 and to a new all-time highs. Next up is the Bitcoin log regression curves have done their job once again, and just like 2019 looks to be forming a temporary top in a white area when price was retesting lower 3 at a 26k, then it told us 34k was next. So then the fair value lower broke to the upside, suggesting a move to the orange circled area like we saw in 2019. So what do they say next? Price spends most of its time between the two bands during its cycle, as the cycle is lower 3 and the fair value lower. A move back to lower 3 brings price like 29,625, as this model was accurate in calling both previous cycle tops as well after its creation. So the top two lowers are now priced at lower 6 is 89,000 and lower 7 at $123,000. So these continue to increase every week. The same Bitcoin chart, but a different outlook. On the left, people are thinking a pullback to 30k is coming. On the right, it is a clean reaccumulation before higher. This is how your emotions and decision making are getting manipulated. Next up is, you can be a Bitcoin investor or crypto trader and be scared of unwilling to stomach this level of volatility. This is nothing. If this amount of volatility is too much for you, that's fine. Take a long look at yourself and be honest about whether or not you can actually handle it. After months of hype and lots of sell news expectations, the Bitcoin ETFs are alive. Result, 15% pullback was over $1 billion in net inflow despite the GBDC sellers, and I get the feeling sellers will regret letting go of their coins soon enough. Send it much higher. You thought ETF was the biggest narrative, wait for the ETF plus halving effect. Only 100 days away. Until then, they will do everything in their power to shake out of the market and buy your Bitcoin cheap. It might be slow, boring, and choppy at times, but up only is imminent. Don't get shaken out. Despite the launch of Bitcoin ETFs presenting an opportunity to sell the news, most hodlers unsurprisingly have not done so. A record percent of the Bitcoin supply remains untouched, as a new demand from ETFs that will come slowly, not all at once, will be met with incredible supply-side illiquidity. Despite the launch of Bitcoin ETF, okay, we already discussed it, so the next is, good morning, net inflows are citing at $1.2 billion for a Bitcoin ETF, and in 4 trading sessions, that's about 7,000 Bitcoin, $300 million a day worth of buying pressure. If you assume this helps, you are looking at a daily consistent buy-in pressure of 150 million a day. Bitcoin has never seen such a thing, as equilibrium maintaining demand at 30,000 was roughly 25 million, as pointed out by the fund strat. So that mean? What does it mean? With a 150 million, 6x more daily buy-in, and the price would need a 6x from that model and be 180,000 after the GBTC, as miners and unlock relief selling chalk gets hoovered up. Exciting couple months ahead if the inflow holds up. That's all the information I got in the Bitcoin today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.